Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today to share some winnings from Miss Audrey, and her channel is Sewgoodall. Starting out with this beautiful card, and I'm trying not to blind you, but here it goes. It is so pretty. All right, and let's just oops, sorry about that. Get into the inside of this card there. It says, "You're the best." Now I have to pull it a little closer. It says, "Melissa, thanks for always supporting my channel. Here is the die you won for my Craft Vault collab." And that was a collab that was hosted by Poet Spice, and there was a lot of ladies in it. And so I was one of the recipients, or the recipient that won from Sewgoodall. And she also says, "and some die cut tags and some of my diamond press word holiday tags." And then it says Audrey, aka Sewgoodall, February 26, 2022. Anyways, so let's jump in. When I seen, I was excited to see these little die cuts. As Lady Cree says, you got to appreciate their die cuts, because some of these die cuts are from reverse confetti, and I do not have the die. And when I seen that laying on top there, I got so excited. But anyways, here goes some hearts that she has in there, as well as, oops, we'll get into that in just a little bit. These were also in there, and I love my little tags. I don't have these. I love little name tags, and I want to say these go on top of these. Like they just fit well. Now, I may use these by themselves, or may use it as it's intended, but love those. I'm so excited about these. And then here goes some more. Sewgoodall is known for having a lot of dies, and I probably am too at this point. But anyways, here goes some. Couldn't figure out if this is a tag or a pocket, but whichever way I use it, it will be used. And so here goes these other ones as well. All right, let me show you these, because these are what I was just so excited about right here, because I know that they're from reverse confetti, and I do not have these dies. So I was just like so excited. Look at those. I'm so excited because I do not have these. And something under there. I think these are like the toppers that go on top of there. Either one of those. But look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be using these. I love these. So excited about those. All right. And then let me show you these here. And sorry for the ones who can't stand the crinkling. Let me show you these. Some more tags. All right. And so these are already have the to and from on the back, and they're in a lot of plaid. So I can definitely use those, decorate those up for Christmas or whatever else I'd like to decorate them for. And then she gave me some veneer cuts. So there was a reindeer, Christmas tree, snowflake, a little bobble, a bell. I don't know if that might be another bobble with a bow on the bottom. Let's see, we have a stocking, star, angel, and a present. So those are really nice. I will be able to use those. And then this is what she was giving away. I was so excited to win this. Audrey, you don't even know. When you showed this, I was just like, "Ooh, I want that." And lo and behold, it is here. So I'm so excited. Let me kind of show you what's in the inside. Let's take a look at that, because I'm so excited. I don't know what's all in here. I think it comes with dies. Yes, dies and stamps. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. That's like a little Christmas tree right there. What does that say? Oh, that's ho. So I can use it for ho ho ho. And then here it goes. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. And I love the fact that it has this recipe on there. And I might have to give that to my daughter so she can bake some cookies. So I love this. So those are my winnings from Audrey. Actually, this was my winnings. Those were a bonus. So I'm so thankful for that. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.